Fastenal's global machining capabilities include a lineup of Swiss screw machines. With their high rigidity machine structures and an ability to perform multiple operations simultaneously, these CNC machines are designed to produce complex precision parts, including extremely small diameter parts, with short cycle times. Our state-of-the-art Tsugami and Hanwha machines are ideal for parts requiring tight tolerances and multiple machining operations, such as threads, grooves, drill and tapped holes, broaching, cross holes, and other requirements. Diameters can range up to 32 millimeters. With our 6-axis to 9-axis machining capabilities, parts are turned and milled with extreme precision in a single setup. The process begins with our 12-foot bar feeders pushing the raw material into the machine to begin those precision operations. The main spindle and sub-spindle use rotary live tooling, including turning tools, milling tools, drills, taps, and end mills, to quickly cut the parts to print. We offer job shop and production style runs of 2,000 to 10,000 plus pieces made from carbon, alloy, stainless, and nickel alloy material grades. And like all solutions produced by Fastenal Manufacturing, the product is supported by Fastenal's distribution system and local service, taking cost, time, and risk out of the supply chain. Swiss CNC machining by Fastenal Manufacturing. Complex parts made simple.